Hey, we're here today with my buddy Scott.
Hey.
Yeah, and today we are going to change the choke cable on my Sportster. Got it up here on the lift, and as you can see, this choke cable is just—it's like gets stuck in it, doesn't? And you can see it's broken right there. We can make a little how-to video for you here. That is, if we can figure out how to, right? So stay tuned. Here we go. All right, first thing we got to do is remove the air cleaner, of course. You know, and that takes a big old Phillips head screwdriver. There it goes. There, that's how it's done. All right, and we got to get an Allen wrench for that. I forget what size it is. Let's see. I think it's this guy right here. Yep. There we go. What I should do is I should get my ratchet. Yeah. Oh man, that sucker's tight. Shouldn't be that tight. There we go. Probably because I loosened that one too much first. All right, there we go. There we are. All right, now you got to be careful. There's some little spacers back here, so I mean, be careful they don't fall off and roll somewhere where you have to bend down and dig for it. You get old, it gets a little more difficult. And there's lock washers on these too. Remember that. And then it should come right off. There, okay. And the carburetor should come right off. Let's take the cable loose on this side here. There we go. Okay, now there's something holding us up here. I think that this there we go. Looks like you gotta work it down out of there. Yeah, there is a small nut right there, but that shouldn't matter. There it goes. See, there's a notch. It was just kind of being ornery. Okay, so that's off. All right, next thing we got to do, take the carburetor off. Let's see here. I don't know if I'd like to try to do this without unhooking everything. We want to do this the fast way. And all you do is give that sucker a yank, and there it goes, right here. And then there's a rubber thing that comes off here. And you unloosen, you can see it, the nut right there, you loosen that, and the whole assembly should come out. Okay. I think it's a metric, Mikuni.
Mikuni. Got an American flag on it.
It does have an American flag and a little Harley. Now, I don't know if you know about this. Make a comment. But I don't know whether Harley's at one point used the Mikuni as a upgrade or came stock with them, because there it is. It sure looks like it's got a little Harley sticker on it there and a little American flag on it, but this is definitely not a CV carburetor, and this machine does not operate like it's a CV. So here we go. There's our little doohickey. This is our choke cable that goes in here's our new one. Here's our new one. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Yep, I think that'll work. I think that is going to work. This is the right length. I think it's going to work. Okay, so this goes on like so. This looks like I got a lot more. Make sure that this thing don't go flying across the room. Push that on there like that. And then this dude goes on here like, see that? This dude goes in there like that. There it is. Now, yeah, that looks like about right, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit different.
A little different, but that's right.
Let's see what happens here. Sure that doesn't cross thread in there because it's plastic.
Oh, gas coming out.
Oh. Nice and easy does it every time. That's a different size, I think. I think it works. I think it works. There you go. Okay. Now this thing slides over. This doohickey here, oops. This doohickey here slides over. It slides over the top of that. I'm wondering if I should have put that on before I put that screw on there. I think it just slips on. There, yeah, it slips on. There we go. Okay. All right. Now, what we need to do is fish that through. Oh, heck, no, it didn't go on. Damn it. Let's push that baby on there. There it is. Now it's on there. Did I get it? Okay. All right. Now let's feed that through. Lift the carburetor. Make sure this rubber is all the way around. This is the most important thing that you can do right here. This rubber seals it up. If you don't get this sealed, you'll get backfires. Okay, now. Go over on the other side and grab that choke cable and pull it through.
Here, hold that.
There it should be.
I see it.
Okay, hold on now. Okay, all right. Now, I think now we're gonna get it. Push that thing in there just like that until she stays. Oh, you might have to move some stuff around to get to it. Probably the right thing to do is to remove all the fuel lines and remove your take your throttle cables off and stuff, but nah. Carburetor's back in. You got to make sure that carburetor gets sealed in there, or else, like I said, you'll get backfires and coughs and decel pops, which this thing decel pops anyways because it's a hot rod. All right, and then of course that will slip back up here, theoretically.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't know why they face this thing down. I don't know why they didn't face it upwards.
Yeah.
You know?
So that gravity would hold it.
Gravity would
got
hold.
loose.
Yeah. Some engineer got paid a lot of money to figure that out. Went to school. Looks like it's working all right. We're gonna find out when we go to start it. Okay, this is...
That's the correct size, I checked.
Okay. Because you want to get that as tight as you can without fucking it up. Even though this is a plastic bolt on here. Because it will vibrate. Because this bike is the old Sportster. It's got the old Sportster.
Pull the choke out.
Okay, now what you do there is you tighten this up. Theoretically. I think I gotta okay. See what happens here. Okay, we got it. Carburetor in. Got this buttoned up. We got to put the air cleaner on, but I think we'll start it before we do that.
Choke out?
Choke it out. Choke it out.
Chokes out.
All right, well, let's start it and see what's going on. Now, if what we did was right, if it works, if it's the right cable.